Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. It's Tuesday night, Facebook Live time for me. I just want to ask you a question. Do you ever feel like your life is filled with just too many obligations, too many distractions, and mental clutter? And do you ever feel like you're finding yourself wishing your life was simpler and less cluttered, and less noisy? So in this video, I'm thrilled to announce that I'm introducing a new ebook called A Journey to Less, A Life Designed for More. So this isn't just any decluttering book. It's a deeply personal collection of stories, insights, and practical steps to help you clear your space, clear your mind, and also make room for the things that you truly want in your life and the things you truly deserve. So why did I write this book now, and what's in the book? So for years, I've lived with many things that people would think is the American dream. You know, the big house, the beautiful cars, the calendar filled with many fun events, the closets filled with designer clothes. Then one day, I finally woke up. I was drowning in excess, but starving for meaning and fulfillment. So I finally found the courage to declutter, to downsize, and simplify my life. And during that process, I discovered something that was life-changing for me. When you clear away the things that are unnecessary, you make room for the things that truly matter. So my new ebook is an invitation for you to start your own journey to living with less, so you can have more time, money, freedom, energy, and more peace to live the life that you really want and to live more fully. So there's a sneak peek into my new ebook. So it's the first thing it's about is it's the hidden clutter of too much stuff. It's the hidden cost of too much stuff. So clutter drains your time, your money, your energy, and how to get rid of that and what you can do about it. And then decluttering versus downsizing, what's right for you? You know, understanding the difference and choosing what is the best path for your life. And number 3, there's 10 simple steps to help you let go without the regret. And there are practical strategies inside to make decluttering easier, and even those sentimental items that we struggle with. And then number 4, designing a home that reflects who you are right now. So how to create a space that supports that life that you want to live, not just the one that you've been maybe hanging on to for a while. And then number 5 is the updated reverse bucket list. It's a powerful mindset shift that will help you discover what's next that's more meaningful and more fulfilling. And then last, the book is not about getting rid of everything. It's about choosing what you want, so that you can design the life that you really want and feel lighter, freer, and more fulfilled. So I have a few testimonials already for what the early readers are saying. So one is, I thought I had to wait until I retired to start decluttering and downsizing. But this book showed me that I could, and probably should, start right now to feel the immediate benefits of living with less. And then something about Rita's insights were very helpful. So, and the second testimonial for someone who's already read the book, I was drowning in family heirlooms that I didn't want, but I was afraid to let go of. This happened so many times to people. And Rita's book gave me the courage to start making decisions that actually reflected my own values, not someone else's. So, and the third one was, reading this book felt like I was having a conversation with a wise friend. It's filled with practical steps, heartfelt stories, and powerful reminders that less is really more. So if you're ready to start your journey of downsizing, decluttering, and if you're just tired of feeling overwhelmed by your stuff, and both the physical and the mental clutter, then I hope that this ebook is a guide that will help you feel lighter, freer, and more intentional about your life, a life that you get to design, a life that you get to choose. So if you are interested in being notified when the ebook is released, please email me at ritawilkins@ritawilkins.com, and in the subject line, just put new ebook. Okay, I hope this helps, and I look forward to talking to you again.